The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the process for adding activities to the SSD Learning Activities repository. You will begin on the main website. Scrolling down to the COVID-19 Information tab, you may click it, and on the right-hand side menu, you will choose Academic and Related Services Activities Resources from SSD. Once you are here, you will see the website where it is divided up into many different areas to sort the activities. In order to create an activity, you will click SSD Employee. This will bring up a screen to fill in required fields for you to complete for the activity. I'm going to walk through and demonstrate how to create an activity. I'm going to be using an activity that was developed for a daily living class. This activity deals with clothing management, identifying the correct cleaning products. Students will identify and demonstrate knowledge of correct uses for each type of cleaning supply used in clothing management. Going back to the template for the activity, I will be choosing essential skill for this activity. I will then scroll down and choose the appropriate grade level. This activity is intended for transition students, so I will select 12+. The level of the students' need in this activities would be essential skills. The level of skill needed to support this activity, I would say, would be significant, as it does require quite a bit of knowledge in order to complete this activity. The name or title of this activity, I will take from here, identifying the purpose of each clothing supply activity and its correct use. So I will add that into my activity. From there, I will go into the description of the activity. With the description of an activity, we are looking for steps. If I go back into my activity and scroll down, I could see the teaching steps here. So students will identify cleaning products, be able to use them correctly, and demonstrate the correct use. So I'm going to copy that and paste it right in there. I am going to take out the DOK levels as it may confuse families. And families would be the ones probably accessing this. So then I will go in and check if there's any other things. So I see here that we have some supports that could be useful. So I'm going to go ahead and add those into my special instructions. And if I, by chance, maybe had some visuals that might work for my students, I could add them in this section. With that, I go to the next piece, and it has been submitted and is ready for approval. Once it is approved, it will be placed on the site. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to reach out to the curriculum department if you have any questions.